How to use dictation. Next, we will look at the dictation, which is another handy feature on your iPhone. By turning what you say into text, dictation helps you create messages and notes without having to type on the keyboard. To start, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go to the home screen. For this demonstration, we will use the dictation feature to send a text message. Tap the message app at the bottom and then tap New Message icon from the top right. Dictation will work in any app where you can see the microphone symbol. For this example, click into the To box and I'm going to say the person's name that is in my contact list, Lauren. I will also confirm it is the correct name to send the message to. I will then tap the box which says iMessage or text message. For the best results, you want to speak slowly and clearly, and you can use punctuation by saying it. To use a question mark, simply say question mark. Click anywhere in the box to return to the keyboard, and send the green or blue send arrow to send the message. For more ways to use dictation, swipe up to return to the home screen. There are several apps which can convert what you say into text. You can use dictation to write emails, write in your notes, create calendar appointments, set reminders, and even search the internet. Remember, it works wherever you see the microphone button on the keyboard.